Christmas! It's Beyblade Boys 1. We're doing an unboxing video. It's our first
review.
It's our first one of the kind.
This is the
Pegasus Tornado Wing 2-pack.
So it comes with a Storm Pegasus and a Rock Aquarium. Storm Pegasus is attack, while Rock Aquarium's
balance.
It's balance.
Although it should really be defense. Let's just rip it open. Well, this was my Christmas gift from Battle Guy. From me to Battle Guy. Yeah, these, we'd rather Takara Tomy. Takara Tomy should make 2-packs. Seriously.
And here's
the actual vase.
Wait, let's take this off.
You should keep these. These are actually really good protection. If you want to keep your vase nice and shiny.
These are the vase without their stickers.
Well, we already had a Storm Aquario, which we should really do a review on.
The launchers.
No stickers.
One is see-through red and
blue.
And blue.
And there are 2 tools, of course.
They always come with tools.
A green and a blue.
And 2 launchers.
2 ripcords, which are really janked up, because Hasbro likes to coil them up. But which really makes them.
It would take up too much space. That's why they tie it up.
Well, yeah, but we know how to straighten them. Look up winder straightening on Beyblade channel, and it'll tell you how to straighten them. And we're pretty much almost done. We just got to do the review. So. Well,
pretty much, we've never used them in a battle.
Well, I've seen some of my friends have these. Most of my friends got these bays. They're actually really good.
So here are the parts. Wait,
2 codes. The parts are a Faceball, Aquario Energy Ring, Rock Fusion Wheel, Spin Track 125, and Semi-Flat Performance Tip.
So here's one, Rock Aquario.
We're not showing you the code because we're not low lives. We actually use them.
And
Storm Pegasus. I can name all these parts. I don't need the stuff. Faceball, Pegasus Energy Ring, Storm Fusion Wheel, 105 Spin Track, RF Tip. This tip is really good because it has really good traction and it doesn't mess up as easy as the flat ones.
And this has a semi-flat.
Semi-flat. I always thought Storm Capricorn had a semi-flat.
Merry Christmas, everybody, and peace out.